Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. If you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you stopping by, and I can promise you, you are going to learn a lot from today's video. So in today's video, one of my natural ingredients is rosemary. Rosemary herbs is very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. It can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. Rosemary herbs can stimulate new healthy hair growth as well. And you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, families, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so my next natural ingredient is thyme. Thyme is also very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. Thyme contains antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties that helps treat your scalp from scalp issues like dandruff. Also, it has vitamins and minerals that will nourish your hair strands, prevent them from breaking, and improve the overall health of your hair. My next natural ingredient is ginger. Ginger is also very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. Ginger can increase blood circulation in the scalp, which helps the hair follicles to get more nutrients and oxygen, which will in return help with healthy hair growth. Ginger can also treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp irritation. Ginger will prevent your hair from being lost. It will strengthen your hair strands and also prevent hair shedding. My next natural ingredient is clove. Clove is also very popular, one of my favorite natural ingredients for hair growth. If you haven't tried clove in your hair care routine, you need to give it a try. And if clove hasn't worked for you, it means you're probably not using it the right way, or maybe it is just not working with your hair. But clove is one powerful natural ingredient that can stimulate new healthy hair growth. It will also strengthen your hair strands to prevent it from breaking. So once you have all the natural ingredients together like so, you just put in a saucepan and add some water to it. You're going to allow this to boil for at least 20 minutes. And after that, there are a few steps you need to follow in order for this recipe to be ready for use. And guys, this is one of the most powerful hair growth spray because the ingredients put together are all so powerful. If you follow this and also be consistent with the use, you will definitely get results that you are looking for. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, after everything has been boiled, you allow it to cool down. Once the recipe has cooled down, you strain it. And after that, you can add any oil of your choice. This is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is also great for the scalp. It is a very lightweight oil, so it doesn't just stay on your hair. It penetrates your follicles and prevents hair breakages. So adding this is very, very important. Or you can also add olive oil or any oil of your choice. Another thing that is also very important to add is essential oil. This is tea tree essential oil, but you can feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. Adding essential oil to recipes like these will also boost the benefits of these recipes as well as giving it a very nice fragrance or smell. So when you leave it in your hair The smell will not bother you. So after adding all these, I'm just going to transfer into my mason jar and also my spray bottle because this recipe is all ready. It is very important to learn the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you are paying attention to all the instructions I'm going to share with you. So this recipe is a hair rinse or a hairspray. You can either use this on your wash day as a hair rinse, or you can use the one in the spray bottle as your hairspray. So the one in the mason jar is going to be used as a hair rinse. What you're going to do is, after your wash day routine, you have washed your hair, you have conditioned your hair, and you have rinsed out the conditioner. The next thing you need to do is to pour this all over your hair, massage it into your hair. Then after that, you pat dry it. Once you pat dry it, you just go ahead and add your moisturizer and your leave-in conditioner. Then whenever your hair feels dry in the course of the week, you're going to apply the one in the spray bottle 2 to 3 times a week. You massage it into your hair and also onto your scalp. Whenever you apply this, make sure to follow with a hair moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner because this is just water-based. If you are consistent with the use, you will definitely see result. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one.